morning, you guys. What's going on? It's Kayla and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, is going to be what I eat in a day. I have not filmed one of these in forever, so it feels really weird to actually have to think before I made my breakfast. So this morning is very exciting because I am using my Vitamix for the very first time. So I actually don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm really excited to use it. So I actually kind of forgot that I was going to film, so I already have my stuff in here. But I wanted to make just a super simple nice cream. So I have 2.5 frozen bananas and just a splash of almond milk. I don't know if I need the splash of almond milk, but I figured I would just throw it in there. It's not like it's gonna hurt anything, and I'm really excited to see how creamy and delicious it's gonna be. I also have Rumi. Please don't jump on me. No, you don't need to get in there either. The little thinger that I'm really excited to use. So yeah, you're on just my single tripod right now, so I can't really set you up, but I guess I'll just hold it and I'll blend it a little bit, and hopefully we get really creamy, delicious, nice cream. So I will see you in a second. Okay, that's not right. What the heck? Why can't I get this to work? Oh, it wasn't turned on. Okay, let's see. Lock that down. Okay, I don't think I should hold my camera when I do this. You guys, that's everything I've ever dreamed it could be. I'm sorry I couldn't share the moment with you, but I needed both my hands to figure this thing out. It is so creamy. I can't even find the words. Oh my god. Alright, so here's the finished product. It is still so creamy and delicious. I can't believe it. But I topped it with some mulberries, and then I made a little sauce out of some maple syrup and some of this peanut flour from Anthony's, which this is awesome because it's literally just made of peanuts. So this is going to be my breakfast. I'm going to chow down on this and watch some TV, and I'll catch up with you guys for lunch. Alright, I'm back again and it is lunchtime now, so I've kind of got a hodgepodge of things in front of me. I know we just posted a grocery haul, but somehow I still feel like we don't have any food. I think we really need to go and just plan out meals that we're gonna eat every night, because we always go grocery shopping and we always spend a ton of money, but we never have ingredients. I don't know what we buy. I really don't. But we don't have any vegetables right now, and I feel like our fridge was full, so I have no idea what's happening. But we really need to be okay, we're gonna make this pasta for dinner this night, and then we're gonna have tacos this night and stuff like that, because then we'll actually have meals to eat. But anyway, I'm off on a tangent. So I'm about to eat lunch, and I've got some rice cakes. These are the Lundberg no salt added ones, my favorite, you guys know. I've also got some avocado. This is the other half of one I used yesterday, but I must have cut them very unevenly because this is not a lot, so I'm going to use some of this one too. Some Frank's Red Hot, you guys know, again, my favorite. And then this is mine and Caleb's new obsession, this mild salsa, the organic one from Wegmans. It is so good. So I'm going to put all of that on some of these rice cakes, and then I'm also going to use some garlic powder, some nutritional yeast, some pink Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. And I switched my tripod, which feels really weird. I haven't held this tripod in a really long time, and it's the one that has the 3 pegs that go down, so it feels so thick and bulky, but it's kind of nice. It's a little more sturdy to hold. So I'm gonna show you guys me just, quick making these up, and I'm watching One Tree Hill right now. Oh wait, I'm trying not to show you my apartment because I really want to do the apartment tour, but it's really hard to film in a place and not show you the place, So I'm just gonna make these real quick, and then I'm gonna eat them. And I don't know, I'm really bad at outros for these little clips, so okay. I don't know how slowly that was falling, but this tripod is not great. I'm sorry. Better? This is the worst. Why? And then my tripod is sad too. He's just falling. I cannot get this tripod to stand up for some reason. It keeps sliding. I don't know if my counters are too slippery or what the deal is, but I'm just gonna have to hold this and do some one-handed put together. So I just finished putting all that avocado on the rice cakes. I just kind of had to scrape the good parts out of that one I just opened. Now we're gonna go for some Frank's Red Hot. Never too much of that. And now we're gonna do spices. Let's see how well I can do all of this with one hand, because trying to make sure it's still on video. Wow, that was a lot of garlic powder, but you know what? We love garlic powder here, so yeah, I definitely am not gonna be able to do, oh my gosh, wait. Are you guys seeing this right now? Okay, nope, I can't do it. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Okay, that was just not gonna happen with one hand, but I did salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a ton of nutritional yeast, and now I'm just gonna add some spoonfuls of salsa. And there's my lunch. Super simple and easy and delicious, and the perfect thing to make when you have nothing in your house, but you just want something to be flavorful and yummy. You just throw it all together on a rice cake, you know? Before I dig into these, which look magnificent, must I say, might I say, must I say? I don't think that made any sense. I have been seriously craving bagels lately, but as you guys know, I eat gluten-free, and when I don't eat gluten-free, I get sick, so I really need to just eat gluten-free all the time. But I need a gluten-free bagel because I just need a bagel with some Kite Hill cream cheese. So if you guys have ever had a good gluten-free bagel, please comment down below, because I need one in my life so bad, and it needs to be one that I can get in New York, because I know there's a lot of brands out in like California and out west, but I can't get them here, or it's like $1 million to ship it here. So just find me a good New York bagel that's gluten-free that I can put cream cheese on, and it'll be really good. Please help me. Alright, it is snack time for me now, so I'm just gonna have, oh my gosh, some dates. These are the pitted medjool dates from Bard Valley. I don't know, I buy them at Wegmans and they come in this big package and they're so good, and I love buying them pitted because I just want to be able to eat them, you know, like I just want to be able to snack and not think about choking or dying or chewing on something really gross. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat these. I don't know how many I'm gonna have. I'm just gonna eat them until I'm satisfied, and I'm gonna find something new to watch on TV because I really need to expand my horizons. But I've watched so many shows that I just don't know what to watch anymore. So if you guys have any suggestions that maybe you think I haven't watched yet, because I probably watched it, you should comment them down below, because I really need something new to watch. Look how juicy and delicious this date looks. Okay. This is something to watch, eat some dates, and I'll see you guys later. So it's dinner time now. Caleb just got home from work a little while ago, and we decided to pick up food instead of make anything because we were both hungry and we're lazy. So he ended up getting a burrito from Moe's, and I got a bowl from Core Life. I decided to get a grain bowl, but it looks more like a green bowl. Let's see if I can remember everything. I did arugula and quinoa as my base, and then I got pickled red onion, carrot, cucumber, tofu, avocado, edamame, and I think that's, oh, and chickpeas. And that was all my toppings, and then I got their chili carrot vinaigrette dressing, which is really, really good. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is also the large bowl, and I guess it looks kind of large right now, but it's really not that big, so I'm not sure if it'll still fill me up. I'll probably have to eat something after it as well, but this is what I'm gonna have for dinner, and probably just find something to watch on TV while I eat it, and then I will talk to you guys when I have a snack later. Does it smell good? No? Okay.